Do you love barbecues but dread how you feel after? Bloated, stuffed, and tired? Well, stay tuned because I'm sharing simple, flavorful, healthier barbecue swaps that'll leave you energized and glowing. Let's make your next cookout nourishing, delicious, and unforgettable. Welcome to the Sparkling Life Coach podcast. Hey, Sparkling One. I'm your host, Dee Diaz, an integrative nutrition health coach and your go-to guide for all things health, happiness, and holistic living. And today, we're bringing that grill and chill energy to the wellness world. We're talking about something that brings people together, fills the air with mouth-watering smells, and makes the season truly sizzle. Yes, barbecue season is here. The grill's hot, the drinks are flowing, and the picnic tables are full of sides. And so often, the nutrition goes completely out the window. But don't worry, I've got your back. We're not doing greasy hot dogs and sugar-loaded sodas. We're going next level barbecue with healthier, flavorful, and totally crowd-pleasing alternatives. If you've been wondering how to host a barbecue that's delicious and nourishing, Sparkling One, you're in the right backyard. Because I'm sharing how to enjoy all the delicious fun of a barbecue without the bloating, blood sugar spikes, or that post-burger regret. We're going next level healthy, but I promise, no boring food. So let me be honest. Traditional barbecues can be a health coach's nightmare. Why do I say that? Well, let's take a quick peek at your average barbecue cookout plate. A hot dog or two, slathered in sugary sauce, maybe a cheeseburger with white bread buttons, potato salad drenched in mayo, a soda or two, and of course, dessert. We're talking processed meats, loaded with sodium and preservatives, heavy sauces full of added sugars, and store-bought sides that feel more like science experiments than food. In fact, the average American barbecue meal can easily rack up over 1,800 calories, 80 grams of fat, and nearly 60 grams of sugar in just one sitting. And that's before you get seconds. But your summer gatherings don't have to feel like a food hangover waiting to happen. You can still enjoy mouth-watering meals and feel energized afterward by swapping in whole foods, lean proteins, and fresh flavors that'll make your summer cookouts feel indulgent without the post-meal food coma. And I promise your guests won't even notice they're eating healthier. He'll just be asking for seconds. So let's start by talking about some of the big culprits that make traditional barbecues not so sparkling for your health. We mentioned highly processed meats. Think hot dogs, sausages, or anything with ingredients you can't pronounce. How about those sugary sauces and marinades? You know, many store-bought brands are basically liquid sugar. And the creamy sides. Hello, I'm talking about mayo-based salads with more fat than a double cheeseburger. And how about sodas and sweet teas? Did you know that one can of soda can have up to 39 grams of sugar, which equals 10 teaspoons of sugar, which is basically your entire daily limit? The good news is that there are super simple swaps that can make a massive difference. And the flavor? Yeah, it's even better. I'm talking fresh herbs, citrus zest, clean marinades, colorful veggies, and beverages that actually hydrate instead of dehydrating you. So, what does a healthy barbecue cookout actually look like? Well, let me paint you a picture. Imagine you got a grill loaded with colorful kebabs, maybe some marinated chicken, wild caught fish, or plant based burgers that actually taste good. You've got big, beautiful bowls of vibrant salads with ingredients like avocado, grapefruit, fresh greens, or even spiralized zucchini. Instead of soda, you're sipping on citrus infused water, fresh fruit slushes, or lavender lemonade. Trust me, it's a vibe. And dessert, think light, fresh, and totally Instagram worthy items like a citrus granita served in a frozen lemon cup. This is what I call soul food that doesn't sabotage your body. Now, here's where the fun and flavor really levels up when you include essential oils in your barbecue menu. Yes, you heard right. Certified pure, tested grade essential oils, when used safely, can totally transform your dishes and drinks. For example, a drop of lemon essential oil can brighten a salad dressing. A hint of basil or rosemary essential oil can add gourmet flavor to marinades. Peppermint essential oil is incredible in a summer slush or as a cooling spray post sun. But remember, as I always say, not all essential oils are created equal. If you're using essential oils, especially in food or drinks, make sure you're choosing certified pure, tested grade essential oils like those from doTERRA. That designation means they're rigorously tested, responsibly sourced, and safe for internal use when indicated on the bottle, of course. Using essential oils in your barbecue recipes is like cooking with a garden, only concentrated in a single drop. The flavor's amazing, and the wellness perks, even better. Next, let's not forget great barbecues also need great protection and cleanup. Yeah. So, I'd also like to share a few extra sparkling tips to keep your cookout clean and comfy, starting with the use of a sunburn relief spray. Just a simple mix of lavender and peppermint essential oil and fractionated coconut oil in a spray bottle is an instant cool down, and it works like a charm. And most important is having a natural bug repellent. Try TerraShield Outdoor Blend. That's my go to. It's gentle, effective, and it won't leave you smelling like chemicals. And if you're looking for a non toxic grill cleaner, you can skip the toxic sprays and instead clean your grill with baking soda, lemon essential oil, and vinegar. You don't need chemicals that smell like a science lab. You just need nature in a bottle. And very important, don't forget that staying hydrated is key. Heat plus salty food plus sweet drinks can sneak up on you. So add citrus essential oils to your water or keep a pitcher of fruit infused water on hand. And of course, I make sure to always have my favorite electrolyte supplement on hand. The MetaPower Recharge Electrolyte Drink Mix is great because it helps water work more effectively within your cells to improve hydration.
Are you tired of trying to make healthy changes only to end up back where you started? It's frustrating, isn't it? Here's the truth. You're not the problem. You just haven't had the right system. Introducing the 4-Week Win Program, your step-by-step plan to build lasting habits and take control of your health. Start each day with our 2-minute health boost, a powerful combination of supplements and routines that fuel your body and mind. By the end of 4 weeks, you'll feel more energized, focused, and in control. Are you ready to win the morning, win the day, win your life? Visit the link in the show notes to get started on the 4-week Win program today.
If you'd like to learn more about summer nutrition and how to eat to beat the heat, then check out episode 36. And tune in to episode 37 to review additional summer wellness essentials. So, Sparkling One, that's your blueprint for hosting a healthy, joyful, essential oil-powered barbecue that feeds the body and the spirit. You can host a barbecue that's delicious, nourishing, refreshing, and dare I say, totally unforgettable. No guilt, no food comas, and no junk ingredients. Just good food, vibrant flavors, happy bellies, and that sparkling glow that comes from eating well and living well. And guess what? I've put together a free next level barbecue recipe guide just for you. It's packed with great recipes from drinks to marinades to side dishes to dessert, all featuring essential oils and real whole food ingredients. So grab your free copy today. Just check the link in the show notes. And if you're watching this on YouTube, scan the QR code you see on the screen and bring some sparkle to your next gathering. And if you're curious and would like to learn more about essential oils, if you want to try them in your own kitchen or learn how they can support your holistic health and wellness journey, I'd love to chat with you. Feel free to schedule a chat at calendly.com/sparklinglifecoach or email me directly at podcast@sparklinglifecoach.com. I'm always here to help. All right, Sparkling One, I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to fire up the grill in a whole new way. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, just committed to living a little brighter, one meal, one drop, one day at a time. Now, go out there and make this barbecue season sizzle the healthy way. Until next time, keep grilling, keep glowing, and as always, sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Hey Sparkle Squad, are you loving the Sparkling Life Coach podcast? Has the podcast ever inspired you, made you smile, or brought a little sparkle to your day? If so, we'd love your support. To keep this passion project shining, you can help by subscribing, sharing with a friend, or, if you're able, clicking the link in the show notes to become a patron. Every little bit helps us spread positivity, holistic wellness, and vitality far and wide. By supporting the podcast, you're not just fueling our efforts, you're joining our mission to uplift, empower, and inspire others to live their best lives. Your generosity creates a ripple effect, helping us sprinkle a little sparkle on everyone who listens. Thank you for being an essential part of this vibrant community.